Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about 10 PTE shortcuts to solve PTE reading blanks within 1 minute. Let's start without wasting any time. The first rule is about the subject-verb agreement. Subject means a thing, verb means action. So for example, the book is on the table, the books are on the table. Book singular is verb, books plural are verb. So that is the first rule. The second rule is parallelism. That means the same tense of the verb will follow. For example, she likes to read, write, and dance. Instead of saying she likes to read, sing, and dancing, that is wrong. The same form of the verb, the base form, will continue in the first, second, and third base before and after a comma. The third rule is about conditional sentences, meaning when to use which and when to use that. I'll give an example. The book that I read yesterday was interesting. The book, comma, which I read yesterday was interesting. So now you know when to use a comma. That's before which most of the times. Rule number 4, it's about conditional sentences. Means there is a condition, if, then condition attached, and that can be written in two ways. The first is, if it rains, we will stay indoors. Unless it rains, we will go for a walk. So if, then. Unless means if not, then this. Or until, then this. I hope this helps. Rule number 5 is about gerunds and infinitives. Gerunds are nouns ending in ing form, and infinitives are verbs which are followed by to. For example, I enjoy reading books versus I enjoy to read books. So after to, you always need a verb in the base form most of the times. The next is about the use of passive voice. There are two voices in English, active and passive. We must know how to use them. For example, the author wrote the book. That is active voice. And the passive voice will be, the book was written by the author. So it's very important to understand the context of active and passive voice while solving reading fill in the blanks. The next rule is about modal verbs. Modal verbs are verbs like must, would, could, should, will, can, might, ought. After all modals, the next verb will always be in the base form. For example, he must study to clear his PTE test. So after must, you cannot say studying. It will always be the base form, the first form of the verb study. The next rule is about pronoun referencing. Pronouns are words like he, she, it, this, those, they. All these are called pronouns. For example, John gave her a book and she thanked him. John gave her a book, comma, and John thanked him. So there's a difference, right? He and John, or she and John. So you need to understand which noun the pronoun is referring to. Alright. The next important thing is about the word order. Ordering of words also conveys a lot. For example, she only reads mystery novels versus she reads only mystery novels. In the first case, it means she only reads, she doesn't write mystery novels. But in the second case, it means she reads only books which are mystery novels. And the last rule is about verb tense consistency, meaning maintaining the consistent verbs throughout the sentences. For example, I am studying English and I will go to the library later versus I am studying English and I went to the library later. That is incorrect. The first usage was correct. So hope you learned a lot from this video. There are many more such rules which can help in solving PTE reading blanks and reading writing blanks. We already posted such videos. Make sure you follow us. My name is Malcolm and I'm from A1 Australia PTE, IELTS and NAATI coaching. We are one of Melbourne's biggest PTE, IELTS and NAATI coaching institutes. We offer face-to-face classes in Melbourne CBD in the city, and we also offer online classes worldwide. Contact us on +61 466 466 and you can also visit our website oneaustraliagroup.com. Make sure you follow, share and comment. I'm Malcolm. See you soon.